Hey there, thanks for stopping by my channel to color. Today we're going to be working on this Whimsy Stamps image called Garden Gnome. This will be our first Christmas card kit of the year. If you're interested in buying a Christmas card kit, I will put a link to this one at the top of the screen. I only made 6 of these, so if you want to grab one, I would do it soon because I doubt they're going to last. I'll also put a link down in the description box to the card kit and all the supplies I used in case you would like to head over to the store and pick up some extra supplies, some paper, embellishments, Copic markers, stuff like that. I am in the process of closing my online store, so if you use coupon code SAVE50, you can save 50% off of your order. I really appreciate you shopping with me. It's going to help me out and help me pay off a few things and get the store liquidated so I don't have all this stuff laying around. And then I'm planning on just doing card kits and just little small things in a little boutique store. That is my plan so far. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to color our entire image with Copic markers. If you would like to know what colors I used, I'm going to pop them up on the screen in between colors, but you can also head over to the store blog and there is a pin card at the bottom of this post that will show you all of the colors I used on this card in case you would like to pin the card and save it for later use. I find it very helpful that I can go and check out my pin board and see what kind of colors I liked and just pick from that, or have a swatch book that I keep them in also. But the pin board is super fast and I don't have to do any work on that. Swatch cards, definitely a little bit more work, but well worth it if you haven't started one. I highly recommend it. So I thought we'd go ahead and do this girl as a card kit or as a Christmas card this year. I know Christmas isn't here yet, but I have to get started because I have 7 of these images all picked out to color this year. That's all I'm planning on doing unless I happen to see some more that come out. Usually they don't put out Christmas card images or Christmas images until too late for me to get them and get them finished up for you guys to get card kits and get yours own done. So what I do is I collect this year's Christmas images that come out I think are really cute and put them in a box, and then I save them for next year. So all of these I found throughout the year and I save them until it's time for Christmas card kits, and then I try to do them all here within the next month and a half. I will have them all finished so that you'll have plenty of time to order one, get them all colored up and sent out yourself. And I will also have a few Christmas cards that I can send out myself since I'm working on the card kits. So I'm going to go ahead and let you listen to some music and finish the coloring, and I'll chat with you towards the end. Alrighty, so we finished our coloring. Let's go ahead and add our Spica glitter pen to our hair and the swirls and stuff on our card. Then I'm going to go ahead and just assemble my card, and the cinnamon I'm going to use is from CC Designs Jolly Christmas Cinnamon Set, but I went to find it on their site and it must be retired because it's no longer there. So I'm going to show you a couple of others I have in the store that would be perfect for Christmas cards in case you would like to pick those up. I have quite a few left, and since they're 50% off, you can get both for $9. One's called Snowy Sentiments and the other one's Naughty or Nice, I think. But they're a great bargain, and I'll try to use them on a future Christmas card kit so that we can see what they look like. But I did stamp that one sentiment for you, so that's the one you're going to get. If you hate that one, you're going to have to flip the tag over and use the back. So anyway, I hope you had fun coloring today. If you have a question, leave me a comment down below and I'll make sure to get back to you. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up button if you like the video, subscribe to my channel, and hit the little bell next to that so you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. I hope you are having a fabulous day, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.